color, beautiful paint, rust color and paint, perfect interior. It's a stunning car. Car 92, Santa Cruz. We have like 16 C1s today. This is such a great turnout. Congratulations. Okay, we'll go to the next generation C2 Corvettes. Third place is car number 71, Dustin. Car blue 64 C2. Above and beyond powerhouse. Look fast, stand still. Lean in, brother. Larry Tesca is blue 62, 64 Paloma C2. Yeah, we had over almost 20 C2s today. Congrats. Good car. Car number 107, Barry Hostler. It's a Laguna Blue, 1966. Really great restoration, great C2 in all categories. Barry Hostler, car number 107, Laguna Blue, 66. I love it. Cool. Okay, first place, C2s. Car number 98, Dan Chisholm. It's a maroon 66 coupe. And the judges say nice candy apple red. Perfect restoration done in every detail. Dan Chisholm, number 9866 C2. Congratulations, Dan. My hands.
1966.
Win a C1 or C2, you have a lot
C1,
of
C2,
competition.
1966 and 1965. Bravo. Congratulations.
Okay, we'll move. Congratulations. And Gary also happened to be one of Jack's best friends.
Nice pink car, Mom.
Very cool.
Yeah, I remember with that. I like that green too.
Okay, that's it for the specialty awards today. Now we're going to go into the class awards, and these are for Corvettes here that are not owned by Santa Clara Corvette members. And we'll start with the first generation C1 Corvettes. Third place is car number 34, owned by Charles McGee. It's a beige 1962 C1. Comments on a beautifully restored Corvette last year of the 62 C1s. Charles Maggie, car number 34. Charles? Hello, Charles. When you do get up here, we'll have your award waiting for you. Okay, C1 second place is car number 68, owned by Tom Bryant. It's a silver 1954 C1. And the comments on an awesome resto mod, old and new, with a powerhouse. That would be a new LS motor. Second place.